learn rock, scissors, paper app game. First open Xcode. Create new Xcode project. Select single view app. Give the name as a rock, paper, scissors. Language Swift and user interface storyboard. Click next. Now create. You can select anywhere. I am using my desktop to save the app. Now first we are going to main storyboard and design the app. So first we take a label. We change the label heading as a player. Provide a constraint as a leading 16 and top 56. Now we take button. We need 3 buttons. So we copy that, provide them constraint, or we can make all in a stack view. In horizontal stack view. So select horizontal. Now we provide the constraint here. Leading 16 and top also 16. Also provide the trailing here as a 16 to. Now we set the property of stack view. Alignment is fill. Distribution is fill equally. To divide equally button in the space. Also the spacing, we set the spacing as a 16. Now we rename the buttons. First one is a rock, second one is a scissor, or third one is a paper. Now for making the button attractive, we change the background color as a teal and text color as a white. Same here. Or we can change the background of 3 different buttons with the 3 different colors. So here we will make it is a system green color. Now paper white and background color is a system red color. We provide the size of button, like it's looking very small, so we give some height like a 50. Also we increase the font size. We make it 20 along with medium. Medium. Now we take again a label. It's rename it as a computer. Provide some constraint like leading 16 and top is 56. We take a label again. Provide the constraint here. Leading 16 and top is 16. This label is for computer. We remove any text from this label. We also increase the font size here as a 20 2 and medium. 22 and medium. For this label, like the font of this button, we make it 20 and medium. So our screen is ready. Now we are creating our view controller. So as we have a view controller object, we need to set IB outlet and IB action first. So connecting, we are opening a screen again, opening a view controller. Now we need the action of these three buttons. So we create action rock button action. Seizure button action. Paper button action. For computer score, we take a label IB outlet, computer selection label. So first we take an array, as we have three conditions. First one is a rock, second one is a seizure, third one is a paper. Now we have the array, we have computer selection label. The game is like that key. If any user click on the rock and computer select a seizure, so like we know rock can broke the seizure, so you win, like player is win. But if computer select paper, then we know paper can wrap the rock, so computer is win. Or if both selected the same, then game is tie. So first we write a logic here for all three conditions as a check winner. So here we take a selection of user as a selection string. Now we check the selection of computer. To taking the selection of computer, we are creating a random number generator. So random equal to int dot random. We need to provide the range. So we have three values. So it can be 0, 1, 2 only. So we provide the range 0 less than 3. So it can be 0, 1 or 2, anything. Now we check the conditions. If अगर if selection equal to we convert it as a selection array. Dot selection array dot random. Then means its game is tie. So we show the alert. So we make a function for alert. Function show winner. We take object as a alert. UI alert view controller. Title is winner. Message is message from here. And preferred style is alert. Now we add an action in alert. Alert dot add action. We create an object of action. UI alert action. Title is OK. Style is default. Or handler is currently nothing. Now we present this alert on the screen. Self.present alert. We need animation with the presentation, so we make it true. And completion, we do not need any completion block. Now come back to here. If both are equal, then game is tie. So we say that show winner, game is tie. But if selection equal to rock, or we can say selection array dot 1, if user select rock, if user select rock, then there will be two conditions: computer select seizure or computer select paper. So if random equal to 1 means paper user select rock and rock is at 0 position, seizure at 1 position, and paper at 2 position. So user select rock and computer select seizure. In this case, because rock can break the seizure, so you win. Show winner. Player won. Else, because we know that in else condition, computer select paper. A paper can fold, can wrap the rock. Now, if user select seizure, so in else if condition, equal to so if user select seizure, then computer select anyone between rock and paper, because we already check the same condition is, so user can't select seizure same. If he selects both select same, then condition will be over here, game is tie. So now first condition, computer select paper. So if random equal to two, so same condition, player won. Else computer select rock. Now third condition, if user select paper. So we only need to write else here. Then same two condition. Uh, computer can select paper or computer can select scissor. So if computer select rock, also we print the value for computer what computer selects. So we take a label here. Now assign text as a self dot selection array random. Now calling the function here for check winner. Like as rock button we know player select rock, so we pass the value as 0. In seizure condition we know same for paper. Now we test it. Yeah, if player select rock, computer select paper, then computer won because paper can wrap the rock. Again player select rock, Game is tie because computer select rook. Again rook. Then winner is you or player because rook can break the seizure. Now we need this screening. So we are going to view controller or write a cleanup function. Cleaning the label self dot computer selection label dot text equal to empty string, or we are calling it OK button. Now again, if a player selects seizure, computer select paper, so we know seizure can cut the paper, so player won. Same again, player select seizure, computer select seizure, the game tie. If player select seizure, computer select rogue, so rogue can break the seizure, so computer won. Now in case of paper, if player select paper, computer select seizure, so seizure can cut the paper, so computer won. Again, both select paper, then game is tie. Again, tie. Again, tie. Yeah. If you select paper, computer select rogue, then player won because paper can wrap the rogue. It's done.